All right, people. Just doing this quick video showing you how you can customize your links on Bitly. This is Bitly. This is a pretty link platform. You can customize a lot of links here. Customization right here. All right. You can see some of the ones that I've customized. Okay. I don't know why this is on here. This was just a trial. I'm not. This is just a trial thing right here. This is what I did just to show. And when you do, you go to here to create. Pull this over. You know, here to create, you put the your long the URL here to create that you can actually. Let's see. I'm gonna do something here. Let's see here. You can go here, copy, back here, put a URL for here, paste, and it creates. Well, you're supposed to create. Oh, that's why. Okay. Okay, it's not doing it. Like so many things I try to do, cut. Let's try this again. Paste. No. All right, you kind of get the gist of what I'm trying to say to do. All right, you come in here. Okay. I must have lost my connection again. Like I said, creating a title right here, it does it right here. You can actually customize it by taking this part off and put whatever name you want to do on here. Okay. That's the basic of this. And this is some of the things I've created right here, LinkedIn. These are kind of things I created. You know, I don't know why this is on here. I don't know if I can get rid of this or not. I was just showing you how to do this. Okay. This only lets you get rid of one at a time. Okay. Jeez, my connection is bad today. Okay. Well, it just lets you do this. These are all the ones I've customized for myself. This is a great way to brand yourself in the market. If you're doing any type of Lord have mercy. Let's go back here. Okay. Like I said, this is a great way to brand yourself. Creating these type of things. Like I said, you go here, you set up this, you paste the URL in there. It brings you out a pretty link. You can customize it. This is what I've done for mine right here. Okay. I'm not sure how this works. With that being said, I hope you got value from this little training here. Let's see, what is this? Not sure what this is. Rethink the link. Check out your blog to learn more advanced stuff. There's a lot of tools on here you can use to customize your links and stuff. Even with my YouTube right here, this is what I got my YouTube channel there, but this is my customized link to it. Okay, you can edit all this stuff also. And it gives you a lot of things to edit that you can edit out. It's a very useful tool, especially when Facebook doesn't, sometimes it gets funny with links, and it's better to use these pretty links and then customize these pretty links. I use Bitly. BitLinks because it's easier to do. I've done that. I've been using this for a long time. I have some. I've gone to GoDaddy and bought domain, but these are links to customized domains. You want to link to stuff, you can customize those to your liking, and they're free. You don't have to go buy a domain. I bought some domains. Don't get me wrong, but these links are customized too. Especially if you're doing affiliate marketing, you can customize these links to affiliate programs that allow you to brand yourself. And I understand everything we do in this business is about branding, okay? That being said, I hope you got value from this little tutorial lesson, and we'll see you on the next video. Take care.